In a new turn of events, Derek Hanekom, an ANC veteran, has brought up relevant issues with respect to the wellspring of assets powering previous President Jacob Zuma's continuous legitimate test against the sitting president's arrangement of the central equity. Hanekom's remarks have started a critical talk in regards to the monetary assets accessible to the previous president, communicating suspicion about the starting points of the critical assets driving Zuma's relentless legitimate campaign. Hancom expressed, "It would be truly fascinating to know where this reserve of cash is and where it came from." He featured the era between Zuma's lawful cost and his known monetary circumstance, revealing insight into the charismatic of the circumstances, revealing influence into the characteristic of the circumstance. The heightening lawful charges expected to support this attempt have not slipped through the cracks, raising worries among both political onlookers and ANC individuals. The inquiries raised by the ANC veteran reverberate with existing worries inside the party and the country at large. South Africa has wrestled with a long-standing discussion about the job of cash and impact of governmental issues and legal procedures. Zuma's capacity to back the fights in court, in spite of confronting various lawful difficulties and claims of monetary wrongdoing, adds intricacy into the continuous talk. This new advancement has reignited conversations encompassing straightforwardness and responsibility in the nation's political and lawful circles. Hancom's request stresses the requirements for a near assessment and the monetary elements behind high-profile lawful cases and their suggestions for South Africa's majority rules system and administration. Because of these worries, there have been calls for expanded monetary straightforwardness prerequisites for well-known people and lawmakers associated with legitimate databases of such size. The inquiries in regards to the wellspring of assets and likely irreconcilable situations have become the dominant focal point, supporting for a more straightforward and responsible political scene. As Jacob Zuma's fight in court proceeds, Derek Hancom's call for straightforwardness with respect to the wellspring of assets brings up basic issues about the crossing point of governmental issues, cash, and law and order in South Africa. The country observes intently as this lawful adventure unfurls, enthusiastic for answers and more clear comprehension of the monetary powers at play.